I've searched this whole wide world to find my special girl, yeah, whose kiss tastes oh so sweet, heavenly, whose smile knocks me off my feet. Just the other day, I was hanging with my crew, saw this girl across the way. She was noticing me too. Then something inside told me to make my way to her.
Tell me, could she be the one?
Tell me, could she be the one?
The one that my heart adores. Tell me, could she be the one?
Tell me, could she be the one?
The one that I've been searching for.
The one I've been searching for. The one I've been searching for.
So let's hope that God will make
God will make
you mine till the end of time. Oh, my heart's been searching for the one I adore, whose eyes made me realize. So make my dreams come true, and I will fall in love with you. Thinking of that day we'll be together and making love that last forever. I just can't describe how I feel inside for her.
Tell me, could she be the one?
Tell me, could she be the one?
The one that my heart adores. Tell me, could she be the one?
Tell me, could she be the one?
The one that I've been searching for.
The one I've been searching for. The one I've been searching for. So many feelings that I have for a girl that I adore. I'll be waiting for the day she'll come knocking on my door. My eyes have always seen together, you and I will be living life with no regrets in perfect harmony.
It's only you and I, my love, will always be together. The only one that I think of, our love shall last forever.
Tell me, could she be the one? Ooh, the one I've been searching for.